And good morning, everyone. It's Monday. It's good thing to do a fresh orange juice from this fresh oranges. So we're gonna peel off the skin and cut it into half, and we're gonna put it into this Covings machine. This is to make the orange juice. We're gonna squeeze it into this machine. Now we're gonna put the cover, the lid on. Turn that power until this juice is coming out. And there you go. You can drink fresh oranges. And straight to our glass. And voila! Have a healthy morning, everyone. No preservative, just fresh. Drink it straight. Ito ang ating mga ingredients sa ating iluluto ngayon na Filipino igado. Ito ang paborito ng mga Ilocanuhan. Ayan guys, bali tayo ay mag-prepare ng mga vegetables natin gagamitin. We have carrots, green, red, and yellow bell peppers. We have 1 cup of green peas. We have also diced onion and garlic, and also the liver, pork liver, and then we have also our pork loin here. So we're gonna start to cut all the vegetable into lengthwise. Now we're gonna start cooking our igado. So first, heat up the pan, put some oil. And we're gonna put our garlic, let it brown. Brown the garlic first, and then after, onion. Let it cook until a light brown. Now we're gonna put our pork liver. Mix. Pork liver, we can only cook like 10 minutes or less than. because we don't want to overcook the pork liver. Next, it's time to put our green peas. Green peas. Our vegetables. 1 cup of green peas, and then we can put carrots and bell peppers. And we're gonna adjust the seasoning if it's not enough. Yummy. Smells yummy. Smells good. Higado. Ang paborito ng Ilocano. Ngayon, 13 seconds na lang natitira. I-check na natin ang ating. Oh, la 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 la. Ayan, ang bango-bango ng amoy. Nakakagutom guys. Ang ating higado ay tapos ng maluto. Tayo ay kakain na. Thank you for watching guys. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below kung ano pa po yung mga gusto nyong i-request na iluto natin. And also, I would like to know kung saan kayong bansa na nanonood sa aking video. Thank you guys and hope to see you next time. Hello, good morning tayo dyan sa mga ka-farmer natin dito sa Hong Kong. Mag-harvest muna tayo ng ating beans. Bago na tayo maunahan ng mga ibang ano dyan, kahati natin makiki-harvest. Ayan. May talong at bell pepper na fresh din. Kasi may visit ako kahapon na peacock. Pumunta dito at inapak-apakan tong mga to. Kaya ayan, harvest muna natin guys.
Thank you for watching.